This store operates on a dropshipping system, selling toy cars that look like sports cars. And last month it managed to make over $94,000 by selling these products, all through content creation on TikTok. Content is created daily on TikTok for these cars with the store link in the bio, so as soon as customers click it, they are directed to the product page to start purchasing these toys. The products are sold for over $50, while the cost of these products is less than $10, enabling them to achieve a high profit margin with over 2,000 orders last month. Today, step by step, I will teach you how to build a professional online store and how to find a supplier to supply you with these products at very low prices and link it to the online store. As soon as you receive orders, they are sent immediately to the supplier to start shipping to customers. The first step is to create an online store on Shopify. I will leave a registration link for Shopify in the video description, where you will get a 3-day free trial to build your online store. And for your first 3 months on Shopify, it will be only $1 per month instead of $32 each month. This offer is available through the link in the video description. Enter your email here to create an account, then choose the country where you will start selling, enter your email and password and create the online store. From here, you can select the plan you will start with on Shopify by clicking on Select a Plan. I recommend beginners choose the basic plan, which you will get for $1 a month. The second step is to find a supplier through whom we can import products and add them to the online store. And as soon as they receive orders, they start shipping them to customers. This supplier is Zendrop. Zendrop has millions of products, provides auto-fulfillment, fast shipping and professional support, and offers a free plan you can start with without paying $1. We will start by installing the app on the store, and after installing the app, we will click on Apps and select Zendrop. This is the simple Zendrop interface, where you will find many products and categories to get started with easily. Here we will start by entering the product name, which is selling toy sports cars, and these are the products being sold. I like this product, for example, so I'll open it where all product details appear, and if we scroll down we find the product variations, which are the available colors and sizes. Here the product cost appears, and here the shipping cost, which varies depending on the country, and you can select any country here to view the shipping cost. Here the total cost appears, to which we can then add the profit. You can add the profit to the total cost and, for example, say that shipping is free, and here the average shipping duration appears. To add this product to the online store, click Add to My Products, and then return to add other products to the store the same way. Then click on My Products, where the product will appear in this area. Click on Review and Publish to edit everything before publishing it on the online store, like the product name, description, and variations. And here we can adjust the product price. For example, I might sell this product for $50, and then the net profit per unit will appear here. Here choose the images to display on the online store. Then click Publish to My Store, then click Confirm, and the product will be published on the store. If we now go and click on Products, the product will already appear in this area, where we can edit everything about this product, whether the name, description, images, or price. To view the product on the store, click Preview, and this is the product page, but it is not professional, so now we need to create a professional product page. In the video description, you'll find a full video explaining how to build a professional online store and product page to increase your Shopify sales. But let me quickly order this product now to see if the order arrives on Zendrop and if I can ship it to the customer. After placing the order, if I go here to Shopify, I'll find the order has already arrived in Shopify, and I can now view the product and customer details. If we go to Zendrop and refresh, the order has indeed now arrived on Zendrop and I can ship it to the customer. Here all the product and customer details appear, and I can now click Fulfill Order to ship it. But first I need to add a balance, whether by bank card or PayPal, that equals the order cost. The customer has already paid you for this order through the payment gateway you connected to Shopify, whether PayPal, Stripe, or Shopify's payment gateways. So once the customer has paid you, you can come here and ship the order. Zendrop's advantage is that its free plan offers you 25 orders for fulfillment. And if you profit and want to process unlimited orders, click on Upgrade, where you'll find 2 plans, each with different features at different prices, but both plans offer unlimited orders. I recommend you first complete the 25 orders, and if you profit, subscribe to a paid plan from Zendrop. Now let's move to the most important step: marketing through content creation or ads. Create accounts on TikTok and Instagram, add your store link in the bio, and start creating daily content about the products you'll sell. On the channel you'll find many videos about profitable products, so subscribe to the channel because I upload profitable dropshipping products daily. Like this video, and if you have any questions, leave a comment. Goodbye.